So let's take a look at how you can install Elementor's Hello theme for creating your website based on simple starter theme. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to download this Hello theme. You can go to elementor.com and then go to search for Hello theme. You can also use elementor.com Hello theme on Google, and that should show you this page. Okay, simply click on this download theme options. That should download directly from WordPress. Okay, you can also search on WordPress for this theme. Okay, so next thing would be to go to your dashboard, then appearance, themes. Here you can click on add new. Okay, so that should allow you to upload a new theme. Click on choose file, then choose Hello Elementor theme. Click on install now. So it should quickly install, considering it is one of the smallest footprint theme for Elementor. Make sure that you have Elementor Pro installed, because the features for this theme are specific to Elementor Pro. Okay, so let's take a look at the site. An updated site should look pretty simple like this. Okay, so here we have to edit and add our items, or you can say modules, using Elementor.